Madico U has good news. Cooling and heating cost savings aren't the only benefits for home or office. Many electric utility companies offer rebate dollars for customers who install window film. It takes just a little homework to find out which utility companies participate in incentive programs. You can learn more at www.energy.gov/savings. For commercial buildings, window film installation may also help you attain LEED credits and potential certification. Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, or LEED, is a highly recognized green building certification program. Learn more at www.usgbc.org/certification. For easy reference to the websites mentioned in this video, we invite you to download the document that accompanies this video.